Agrochemicals. Hello students. Today we shall be considering some important substances common in our homes and environments called chemicals. Think about the hair or body creams you use every day. What do you think they are made of? What about kerosene, matches, plastics, rubbers, starch, toothpaste, glue, soap, detergent, paints, candle wax, drugs, batteries, and insecticides. These substances are referred to as chemicals or chemical substances. Now take a look at these pictures. Anhydrous acid, fertilizer, brake fluid and other chemicals, different chemical products. Household detergents are chemical products. Laboratory chemicals. What are chemicals? Chemicals are simply substances used in or produced by the processes of chemistry. A chemical has a defined atomic or molecular structure and takes part in chemical reactions. Examples of chemicals. We have kerosene, insecticide, detergents, and so on. Classes of chemicals. Chemicals are classified in two ways, either based on their uses or how hazardous they can be. 1. Classes of chemicals based on their uses. Considering their uses, chemicals can be classified or grouped into the following: pharmaceutical or cosmetic chemicals, nuclear chemicals, agricultural or agrochemicals, industrial chemicals, and laboratory chemicals. 2. Based on how hazardous they may be, chemicals can be classified or grouped into non-hazardous chemicals, moderately hazardous chemicals, and highly hazardous chemicals. Now, let us see some examples in each of these classes of chemicals. Examples of chemicals based on uses. Pharmaceutical or cosmetic chemicals. These are chemical substances used for body health, that is, chemicals for medicinal and beauty purposes. Examples are drugs, injections such as chloroquine injections, massaging balm, hair creams, shampoo, soaps and detergents. Nuclear chemicals. These are chemicals used in nuclear chemistry for production of energy, treatment of diseases like cancer, and making of explosives and weapons of war. They are radioactive substances. Examples: nuclear fuels such as uranium, plutonium, tritium gas, lithium dioxide. Battery chemicals, various metals such as aluminium, steel, lead, copper, and nickel, as well as plastics. Agricultural or agrochemicals. These are substances used to enhance soil fertility, control weeds or pests, as well as enhance yield of plants. Some are specially meant for animal production. Examples of agrochemicals include fertilizers, weedicides, pesticides, and insecticides. Industrial chemicals. These are used for production of many useful products. Industries use various raw materials such as limestone, acids, salts, caustic soda, and so on. Laboratory chemicals include the bench substances used for synthesis or experiments in the laboratory. Examples are acids, bases, salts, carbon dioxide, oxygen gas, and so on. Examples of chemicals. Based on their hazardous nature, chemicals can be classified or grouped into 1. Non-hazardous chemicals such as chalk, powder, table salt, toothpaste, detergent, soaps, and creams. And 2. Moderately hazardous chemicals such as kerosene. 3. Highly hazardous chemicals like acids and other laboratory chemicals, inflammable fuels such as petrol and cooking gas, poisonous gases such as carbon monoxide, radioactive substances, and heavy metals such as lead, mercury, and so on. Note that strict safety measures must be followed in handling chemicals.